Hello friends. Welcome to today's maths class. In this video, we are going to learn all cubes from 1 to 35, along with some easy tricks and patterns. Stay till the end, because I will also give you a quick challenge, and of course, a surprise tip. Cubes 1 to 10 super easy. Let's begin with the basics. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. Trick number 1. For numbers ending with 5, like 5, 15, or 25, the cube always ends with 125. Example: 5 cube is 125, and 25 cube is 15,625. Cubes 11 to 20 middle range. Now, from 11 to 20. 11 cube is 1331. 12 cube is 1728. 13 cube is 2197. 14 cube is 2744. 15 cube is 3375. 16 cube is 4096. 17 cube is 4913. 18 cube is 5832. 19 cube is 6859. 20 cube is 8000. Trick number 2. 20 cube is very simple. Just take 2 cube, which is 8, and add 3 zeros. You get 8000. Special announcement. Friends, do you enjoy learning maths with fun? If yes, then here's a deal. Right finger when this channel reaches 500 subscribers, I will make a special cube song. Yes, a full sing-along rhyme to memorize all cubes in just a few minutes. So, subscribe now and help us reach 500 quickly. Cubes 21 to 30 use nearest tens trick. Now, from 21 to 30. 21 cube is 9261. 22 cube is 10648. 23 cube is 12167. 24 cube is 13824. 25 cube is 15625. 26 cube is 17576. 27 cube is 19683. 28 cube is 21952. 29 cube is 24389. 30 cube is 27000. Trick number 3. For 21 cube, use the formula. That is 8000 plus 1200 plus 60 plus 1, which gives 9261. For 30 cube, it's just 3 cube, which is 27, and add 3 zeros. Answer equals 27,000. Cubes 31 to 35 final group. Now the last group, from 31 to 35. 31 cube is 29,791. 32 cube is 32,768. 33 cube is 35,937. 34 cube is 39,304. 35 cube is 42,875. Trick number 4. For 32 cube, remember it ends with 768. For 35 cube, first do 35 times 35, which is 1225. Then multiply again by 35 to get 42,875. Special patterns to remember. Cubes of even numbers always end with an even digit. Cubes of odd numbers always end with an odd digit. If a number ends in 5, its cube always ends in 125. And cubes of 10, 20, and 30 are super easy. Just take the cube of the first digit and add 3 zeros. Quick challenge for you. What is the cube of 27? Comment your answer below. Let's see who gets it right. Friends, if this video helped you in learning cubes easily, then please don't keep this knowledge only with yourself. Share this video with your friends, classmates, and in your study groups, so everyone can learn faster. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now and press the bell icon, so you never miss our next maths trick. Remember, at 500 subscribers, we will release a special cube song that will make memorizing cubes even more fun and super easy. Your one like and one share motivates me to make more and more useful videos for you. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and let's learn maths together. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.